Okay, so finding the series, evaluating the series for geometric is very similar to the ones you were doing up above this format. So this is still the same as arithmetic, where this is how many terms, so number of terms. And then this is your formula in explicit. And then this is your first term.
Mom.
So we are going to use the formula given in our notes where it was the sum of n terms is the first term times 1 minus the ratio to the nth power all over 1 minus r. So our ratio, Derek, I'm doing something. Thank you. Sorry. Our ratio is the number underneath the exponent. And then in front of this one here, we don't see it, but there is a 1 being multiplied to that. And that 1 is our first term. So the 1 is our first term. And then that 4 is our ratio. That's going to go here and here. So just a little side note, if it looked like this, our first term would be 2, and our ratio would be 6. Okay, so this is a of 1, and this is our ratio. So we are given everything already to do this. Remember, our n is just the number of terms, and that is right here, and that's what we're going to be plugging in there and there. So we have the sum of 8 terms equals a of 1, which is 1 times 1 minus the ratio, which is 4, to the 8th, and then all divided by 1 minus 4. And then, so we know 1 times that, whatever, is still going to just be 1 minus 4 to the 8th. And then this is negative 3. Go ahead and put that in your calculator, and you get negative 65,535 all over negative 3. So then you get a positive 21,845 for the sum here. So I hope this helps. If not, let me know and we can try a different way.